Hey all, my name is Laszlo Leber, welcome to my channel Coaching. Today I will show you my little hobby project. I have written a little C#.NET application which uses artificial intelligence to play alone against real or another AI opponent in FIFA 21 on PS4. As you can see, I had to set up only the radar. I set up my player's colors to red and the opponent's colors to blue, and after that you can see I have written this C# application to control this game, but as you can see I can control with this application the PS4. I used the remote play option of PS4 to do that, and in my application I used an USB driver to control the PS4, USB driver for the DualShock 4 controller. Okay, I have started a new squad battle match against an AI opponent. Here you can see that my players are blue, but on the radar they are appearing as red. So the previous settings were very important because my algorithm will expect my own players as red ones and the enemy players as blue ones on the radar screen. Of course, if you would like to write an application like this that can controls a game like FIFA 21, you should face many challenges. For example, how can you recognize the playing area? How can you recognize your players and the enemy players? You should separate them. How can you recognize the ball, and you should tell that when you control the ball and when the enemy controls the ball. So it's a very hard situation, and my solution was that first I recognize the small radar in the bottom of the screen, and after that I extract all the objects, the game objects from the radar, my players, the enemy players and the ball, and I also can tell that whether I control the ball or the enemy controls the ball. If I get this information, I can tell to my players that please pass to the closest available players of your team, or when you should defend, or when you should shot to the goal, and etc. any other situations. So here you can see some examples. However, my software is brand new, but here you can see that it is already be able to shoot a goal, and here you can see that it can defend against the enemy, against the opponent players, and it can develop many effective situations on the field.
Salah. Now Yannick Bolasie. Werner. Now Aubameyang. Oh, tremendous block. Werner. Bolasie. Might be dangerous. Can they keep it out?
Of course, it's not perfect. And you can see here that that it plays totally alone on PS4 with the PS4 remote function. Okay, from the technical aspect, I have many functions. For example, to recognize the radar screen. After I'm able to extract the radar screen, I extract the game objects from the radar screen bitmap. So I take a screenshot of the entire screen, and I am using some image recognition and image editing functions. I'm using lots of filters to reduce the amount of objects appearing on the screen. I should concentrate on the players and the ball and the must-have objects for the must-have objects. I have another function too, which controls the game. It gets the game objects information and decides that whether it should pass to the best option to the best player, or shot a goal, or defend. But I wanted to create a full automatical software which can plays alone games, and after the game ends it should start another game, so it can plays a friendly match, for example a classic match, but you can set that which friendly match would you like to play, and after the game ends it will start a new one. Okay, thank you very much for watching. That's all for now today. However, this project is in a very early stage. The results are very promising, and I will share many interesting information about this project in the future. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you liked my video, and thanks again. Bye.